So it's very simple talking about lead and lag, and we can attest to the fact that it is part of the analytical function. So we have the lead and we have the lag. With regards to that, we also have the dense rank, we also have the rank, and then we also have the row numbers. So here it's talking about recalling the preceding value. So the preceding value for 2019 is going to be the year ahead of it. So certainly it's going to be 8,800. So just gonna put that in here. But the lag happens to be the opposite, saying that we are looking at the previous, or it is recalling the previous value. So the previous value or the previous year was 2018, but 2018 is not here. So certainly this is going to give us a null value. We are going to do for Ghana, and then we also do for Nigeria. The question is, why is this place 0? This place is 0 because there is no other preceding value for Ghana. As you can see, it now moves to Nigeria. So if we are looking at it by each dimension, then that is where it ends. It ends just at 0. That is where it ends. It just ends at 2022 for Ghana. Now looking at the lag for Ghana, we are now going to have the next value. So the value behind 8,800 is 7,000. So we are going to go ahead and write that down here. You can just go ahead and also copy this. And as you can see, we have this 8,800 here showing the three values. And then looking at here, we have the previous value, which is the 7,000, previous value of 8,800, which is 7,000. We have this and we have that. Yes, so in the long run, we realize that we don't state the last value for the lag, and the top value becomes null. That is the same way we don't state the first value, which is 7,000 here, and here becomes null, but we have the 12,400 shown. Now coming to Nigeria, we can do the same thing for Nigeria, and we can say that, oh, what is our preceding value? Our preceding value for Nigeria in 2023 is 16,000. So we can just go ahead and have this copied. There you go. Then we can do the same thing for this as well, where we are talking about the lag. So the 0 is here because we don't have any preceding value for 2023. Sorry, we don't have any previous value for 2023 specifically for Nigeria. But we have one mainly stated in 2024 where we have 16,000, but the previous value for Nigeria is 14,200. So we can just go ahead and imitate or just copy this right in here, and that makes it very simple. I hope I did the copy button. Let me just go ahead and do it well again. There you go. And that is all. That is very simple, right? Just try your best to work on it and let it be something that you keep yourself familiarized with. Thank you for watching.